Hi, I'm Bo with Windsor, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Saber Cutter series of auto scrubbers. The Saber Cutter series consists of the Saber Cutter 26, which has a 26-inch wide scrub path, 23-gallon solution tank, 25-gallon recovery tank, and is available in a 24-volt system. The Saber Cutter 32 has a 32-inch wide scrub path and is available in a 24-volt system with 23-gallon solution and 25-gallon recovery tanks, or a 36-volt system, which has a 33-gallon solution tank and a 35-gallon recovery tank. The Saber Cutter series of auto scrubbers are the perfect scrubbers for applications such as building service contractors, airports, retail, and education facilities. One of the first things you're going to notice about the Saber Cutter is its unique slope design. This was done to allow for excellent sight lines when operating the machine. This makes the cutter a very safe machine to operate in areas such as schools where you may have to operate around small children. It's also great for operator visibility when moving into and out of janitor closets for dumping and filling. At the back of the machine, there's a clear dome on top of the recovery tank. This allows the operator to look in and monitor how much has been recovered and when they need to dump and fill. You'll also notice this unique storage area on the cutter. This allows the operator to transport anything they need to and from the job site or while on the job, such as wet floor signs, extra pads, chemical. Anything the operator may need can be stored here during operation. Simply lift up this storage area and you have complete access to the batteries. This allows you to check the battery levels, make sure that the batteries are properly maintained. By removing two wing nuts here and here, the operator can remove the cowling over the front of the machine, and they now have complete access to the vacuum motor and both brush motors. Speaking of the brush motors, let's take a look at Windsor's patented Aquamizer system and how it can help you improve runtime and productivity. One of the unique features on the Windsor Saber Cutter series is the patented Aquamizer system. The Aquamizer system increases runtime productivity by up to 50% by simply using the cleaning solution more efficiently. The Aquamizer system is comprised of three components: the front brush shroud, the pad or brush, and the Aquamizer squeegee. The Aquamizer squeegee sits behind the pad or brush. This, replicated on both sides, creates a cleaning chamber for the solution to stay in until it's used to its full effectiveness. The cleaning solution then escapes between the two squeegees. On a normal scrubber, the brush actually spins and pushes the solution back to the squeegee. However, on the Aquamizer system, the brush or pad actually spins and pushes the solution forward. This allows for a small amount of dwell time before the solution is scrubbed. This creates a system that allows you to use less chemical, less water, increase your productivity, and get good cleaning results. To reassemble the deck, start from the back and work to the front. Start with the Aquamizer squeegee, then your brush or pad, and lastly, your front shroud. The controls for the Saber Cutter are located in the back of the machine. On either side of the control panel are two ergonomic handles. Inside the handles are green paddles that allow you to operate the machine in a forward motion. To operate the machine in reverse, simply hold one of the green paddles and then depress the white operator button right here. That combination of holding the button in and depressing the green paddle will move the machine backwards. When you're ready to go forward, simply release the white button, grasp the green paddle, and you operate forward again. The control panel on the Saber Cutter is designed to be intuitive. You'll notice that anything outlined in blue has to do with water being dispensed and scrubbed from the front of the machine. Anything outlined in orange has to do with the vacuum and recovery system. So, on the control panel, you have the speed control. This will allow you to operate how fast the machine moves. You have a water adjustment. This adjustment determines how much water is flowing down to the brushes. You have the brush operation. By turning this on and then grasping the paddle, the machine will begin to operate the brushes. You have your vacuum on-off. By depressing this button, it turns the vacuum on or off. Additionally, below these controls, you have circuit breakers and a key switch. You have your release for your brush deck and the release for your squeegee. To begin using your Sabre cutter, you'll need to fill the solution tank with water and chemical. If you're not using a dispensing system, make sure that you put the water in first, as putting chemical in first will cause a foaming issue. To dump the recovery tank on your Sabre cutter, simply remove this hose, undo the cap, squeeze the hose to control the water flow, and dump. The next step in preparing your Sabre cutter for storage is to empty the solution tank. Simply remove the clear hose on the left side of the machine and dump. The final step in preparing your Sabre cutter for storage is to remove the squeegee and clean it. So there you have it. You now know everything you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Sabre cutter auto scrubber.